Next, I'm going to create an entrance on this side of the wall, and also I would like to create a tower on top of this current model. So first, let's activate level 1, and I'm going to create a profile model, and I'm going to use this rectangle, and I'm also going to draw on the surface. That's my starting point, and now it looks like nothing has shown up. Let's go back to 3D. Sometimes it might be just hidden inside. So if you move closer to where I drew the rectangle box, you can see it is highlighted. Now we can do some tricks. So probably you guys still can recall the view control bars has some settings. So let's go back to wireframe, then click the profile, and since we are going to create an entrance, so that means we have to carve some forms out. So we are going to use a different function instead of creating form. So in this case, you need to click the drop down, and there are some additional tools for you to choose. So void form. So now let's switch back to the shaded view to see what's the effect of it. So it looks like it has carved out part of the structure. What I'm going to do is I want this entire thing to be carved out. So now I want to get this part selected, and I would like to continue and drag all the way up. Make sure this entire part is carved out. So I think I'm happy with the entrance. Now I'm going to add another tower on top of it. So the tower is going to be a cylinder type of shape. So I'm going to activate my level 4, which is the top of the existing structure that I'm modeling right now. Level 4, and the same thing. Looks like nothing has been shown. Floor plan level 4, doing the same thing. Go to your underlay, click level 1. I want the entire thing to be shown. Now let's draw a circle on level 4. Create circle, and I'm going to use a draw on surface plane. So this is the surface plane I'm going to use. Now let's go back to 3D view. So now I drew a circle on top of level 4. Now I'm going to use this to create a form. So since last time I used void forms, then I'm going to use a solid form. Click drop down and click that. Now it gets created. Now I would like to continue drag this tower to the top of the floor until the top floor is highlighted. I believe now we are on level 8. If you want to verify, you can always click the elevation view, and now this is created. I would like to go back to 3D view,